Take me to my paint.
Ow, baby, you're squeezing my hands.
Sorry. Take me to my paint.
Stop squeezing me.
Carry the print.
Baby, you're squeezing me. I can't do this.
Getting a late start on the day. It's
1:14.
1:14. We're getting t-shirts made right now. Or I guess shop hoodies. Oh yeah, we're getting Wi-Fi too, so we'll finally be able to upload all these videos maybe. So we'll see.
Look how sick!
Here, let me see the front.
Look how cool that is. We got different colors too.
Red.
Here's your blue, babe.
Bet. Hell yeah.
Oh my god, why?
I just want to show you guys how dapper
What do you mean?
Jake actually gets.
Yeah,
He showed up here. He showed up here like this to work today. Okay, and his out. Look at that sweater. Oh my god.
It looks so fucking smooth, dude.
Doesn't he look nice?
Left swipe. Thank you.
We need to get Thomas and Paul in like these outfits.
This is about the most dapper you'll ever see me right here. 100%.
Can we see the knee though?
We see the D though.
He's always got these rips in his knees for some reason.
What's the point of getting a tattoo and not flexing? Come on now. You gotta flex.
So we have some cool projects going on for you guys tonight.
The Porsche wheels are all the way finished up. We got the center caps all popped back in. They're a little dusty just from sitting around, but nothing a wash won't take care of. Man, this thing is gonna be sick. I love these tires. Although that's the only one that's the same. Tuner life. Move. Always in the way, dude. You're always in the way, man. Oh, hell yeah. You cut that. Fuck yeah. That'll be okay after we mold it in. So it's not quite. Oh, wait, no. And that's actually perfect. When it mounts up, hell yeah. Clean that up, make it a little straighter. But now the flares are going to be able to be molded into the body, and the other little piece that was here, the other little flare, oh, this piece started, oh, right here, so goes like that. Move, Jericho. Okay, watch out. All right, so this piece, wait, is this for the other side? This has got to be for the other side. Something. No, that's for this side. That's for this side? Yeah. How's it go on there? Ah, there you go. Okay. Yeah. So now we'll be able to take the bumper off, and that piece will also be molded into the bumper. So it's gonna be sick. And yes, it does line up. See, there are the holes, and those aren't even gonna matter after we fiberglass it. So check these out too. I don't know what somebody did in here, but this is why if you're gonna do stuff at home, at least clean it before you paint. I don't know what that is, but if it's like, look, it's got a reflection, it's like clear coat in there or something. But yeah, it's real bad.
What are you doing?
Getting his grommet up so I can pull the wires all the way through.
Okay.
Because we can't unhook them from the clip because they're getting the doors out.
We're getting the whole door off, huh?
Like that side, there's no door on it. So
No
that
door.
way you can reheat the jam.
Literally have all the parts kind of like scattered around here right now. We need more storage. We have like,
organize that tonight.
we definitely need to organize that tonight. We have too much to organize.
Last door.
Too bad it's off already.
I just got the camera out, okay? I just turned it off, didn't expect it, but they got the door off of the S2000, so that's pretty sick. Tommy's been doing a ton of work on this car recently. Like he had this whole subframe out and I helped him.
Yeah, she did. And then we're switching out these old ass boat style mounts.
Where are these boat style mounts he's talking about? These import muscle bad boys?
For real
You don't want these in here?
For real swap mounts right here.
Oh, and these are,
Yeah.
okay.
We're putting
so these are
these
what
in,
he
which-
should have put in it when he did the
Yeah,
swap?
which is the correct way to do it with these because it holds the engine from the bottom instead of the top, which is just kind of better in general. So these are a lot better, but subframe swap, switching out a starter to fit these soft top, which is not fun at all.
Soft top. Tommy took the soft top off because he got a new soft top.
Yeah.
No, so she's stripped down, but
looks pretty
she's,
sick.
you like it?
Yeah, beep beep. I'm in me car.
Yeah, Paul never gets to drive these cars. He just always gets, well, not Paul, but like we always get to just admire these cars, I guess you could say.
Bro, that's I work too much to shave my face. Here's your wheel, bro. I fixed your cracks.
Thank you, dude.
I had to profile out your bead again because it's all nard. And also, this is not finished. That's why I was asking about the roll-off.
No worries.
Discs for, but
Yeah, dude. Good shit.
you know, extra ounce
It'll
on the
work.
other side will balance it out. It'll be fine.
It'll work. Hell yeah.
It'll work. You can't tell from the face. So.
Thanks, bro.
Let's go spray some spray outs. These are spray outs. They are like weird shaped things that give you kind of like the curves of a car, so you can kind of see like the depth of the pearls when you spray it on. These are what we're going to be testing out. This is going to be going over a black. This is going over this and this. Not at the same time, we're gonna try out both just to see how they look. This is going over silver, and this is going over, I believe, black. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. But yeah, we're gonna test these out, see what kind of finish we get.
This is the clear binder. This is how base coat is made. They take the toners, which are those up there, like the pure toners, and they mix them with this, and then you mix all of it together with reducer to make it sprayable. This is just literally clear base coat.
I love that. It's got pearls all over my camera.
Is it? So here's the silver. That is for the Mile High candy, and I might try it with red too, just to see what it looks like.
Okay. Those are so amazing. What are you doing now?
Red.
Over black? Oh boy.
Holy
Oh my god. Hallelujah. Okay. Okay. What? Oh, that's it. If you don't like this one, oh, get out. Oh my gosh. What? It's paid. Wow. You guys nailed it. These colors are just insane. Aren't they? They're wild. I love them.
I like them a lot.
I love them. We're gonna have the hardest time picking a color for our car. That one. Ooh, oh my heavens. Way up. Oh my god, I love it.
The way those sparkles.
One's nice, but this one's the best.
The way the light hits that.
This one.
I like this one.
I think I like that one, but I also really like this one, even though. Crazy. What do you think? Okay, so we have the spray outs. These look insane. I love them.
It's a silver base, so it's almost got like a,
Silver undertone.
yeah. This one is like like I said, a dark gold, so it gives it that like,
Orange, like burnt orange almost.
yeah, it's nasty. Damn. And then this one is the metal flake one, which isn't gonna be any different, but it's just gonna shine when the light hits it. And then this one is over silver.
I
this
love
this is a blue concentrate over silver. This purple one is just like a purple interference pearl over black. And then this one, I did 2 of those, but then I put the same blue candy concentrate over that one as I did this blue right here.
Go back over
next
the
to
top.
it.
Oh my gosh.
We were gonna do purple on the G35, but I don't know, I'm thinking red. One of these. This
I
one.
like that blue.
Yeah, I like it.
Comment down below what you guys think we should paint the G35, and do you want to show it to him right now or no?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let's go check it out really quick.
We welded in metal eyelids because they're normally like, I don't know, they're just square kind of, like almost look like, they remind me of Preludes. And we grinded all the paint off there and welded this like eyelid, this custom eyelid to it. And after I did that, I put all the seam sealer over it to make it so that it would never take on water. And then I sanded that down over there and put icing over it. It's not straight yet. I still have to like go through here and block everything, get all that bullshit off, but it'll look good.
It makes it look so much more aggressive, I
We
think.
did it on our bug eye WRX and it looked pretty sick. Grind all this shit off. It sat outside our old shop for like a week out in the rain and it got fucked up. Grind all this down. I have to hit it all with our TIG welder. We just used a MIG with no gas on that, so here, I'm gonna cut out, I can fix this little bit of rust, that's not that big of a deal, especially when the flare's over it. We're gonna radius this same way we did the other one. This is humongous ass dents. I already tried to stud weld it. These were not pulling this metal for shit. So I'm gonna grind those off. After we cut this, I'll be able to pull that out and I'll straighten that out. Once this is cut, I'll be able to access that, the inside skin, and kind of like pull it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna icing over that, and after the fender flares on it, you won't ever tell. I'm thinking I might want to get a door, just cause, move Jericho.
Dude, he's inspecting it for you.
I might want to get a door, cause this one's fucked. It's like, all the damage starts right here, and it goes all the way over. The rest of it, like there's a wave right there, there's a wave, look, and it even flexes. So we might want to get a new door. Anybody knows of a G35 door?
Any G35 doors out there? Because we need one. Passenger,
Not spending more than
it's an 04. Let me know. It's a coupe. Let me know.
spending more than $100, so if it's more than $100, I'm fixing it.
We took the wing, the factory wing, off of the trunk.
Oh, that was fucking bullshit.
Like, I've never seen a wing come off that hard before.
I haven't been that pissed off in a while taking a part off. I was getting mad. That was Infinity. You need to up your game because that was some shit. Seriously.
It was so funny to watch him struggle, to be quite honest with you.
There's 2 other videos.
Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap up the video. It's been a good one. Yeah, we did just wheels and little things
Been
again.
kind of lazy the past few days, honestly.
We got our hoodies, so that's awesome. That's one thing.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna make food and see what else we can get into. We're probably gonna start our next video tonight. We're probably gonna be up all night. We do that quite a bit. Don't we?
I thought we were gonna sleep tonight.
No, we need to work.
Next couple videos, I promise, are gonna be way crazier. This is all just little easy stuff.
Bye.